Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'm working with DOORES hair extensions this time. If you've been here a while, you'll notice I've given myself a haircut. I've cut about 5 inches off and I'm thinking it's a bit of a mistake. It's very short. So when this company said, would I like to work with them, I like to thicken my hair up anyway. I've got quite a lot of hair, but it's very fine. But I want to get it a bit longer. So let me show you how to put these extensions in. I'll just talk a little bit about them first. So in each box, you obviously get the hair extensions, you get a couple of clips, a couple of spare clips for the actual extensions, because I've gone for clip-ins rather than tapes, and then instructions on how to actually put the extensions in. So each box, the hair comes in this part here, and it's got a sort of a hygiene tab there, and they send you in a little hairnet one sample of hair, so you can colour match that against your own, because if that's not the right colour you can send it back. But once these tamper tapes are broken, once the seals are gone, you can't send it back. So these are the pieces before I do anything to them. I've got 4 singles, 2 doubles, 2 lots of 3, 2 lots of 4. And if I come in a little bit closer, you'll see it's almost like it's highlighted hair. I've gone for, rather than a block colour, I've gone for something with a couple of colours in it, just to help it blend in and look a little bit more natural. So this is what the hair looks like when you first get it. Of course, if you want to cut it or curl it, because it's Remy, human Remy hair, you can. So I'm going to have a go at curling it. So there it is, all the wefts are now nicely curled. Right, so I've curled my hair with my Dyson Airwrap just a little bit, just to put a few curls through it on the larger barrel. So I'm now going to put the first lot of extensions in. So clip-ins are one of the easiest types of extensions to put in. You need a tail comb and then a couple of the sectioning clips that come with the kit. So to start with, you put a 3 weft at the nape of your neck. So this is sort of the lowest down extension that we're going to put in. So I'm going to clip some of my hair out of the way. So that's the 3 weft. So what you do is you just clip them open like so. You've got 3 of those. So that's where I've sectioned it, and you need to put the hair as close to your own hairline, the parting that I've created, as possible. So you push the clips into your own hair just gently and clip them into place. So next up I'm going to go for 4. So again, section the hair just a little bit further up this time, and then just pop the clips open, all 4. So this one's going to go across here. If it doesn't feel right, of course you can unclip them and just try again. That's the beauty of these. So that's a 4 weft. And then depending on how much of your own hair you've got, how full you want it, how long you want it, you get, as I showed you earlier, a lot of different hair in these kits. So I think what I'm going to do, it does suggest in the instructions doing a 3, 4, 4, 3, but I don't think I need to do as much as that. So I'm just going to pop 1 more 3 in, and then we'll fill the sides up a bit with the 2s and 1s. So this last one I'm going to sort of put just in the crown. So I'm going to pop it about there. That's the last one I'm going to put in there. And then I'll take my own hair down and just put that over the top of it. So the colour match to my own hair is absolutely perfect. I can't believe it. But what I'm going to do, because I've obviously got these long ones here, I need to put some round a little bit higher up and round the front, so I've got the longer hair to match the rest. So I just put you on a little bit of a time lapse while I do this next bit. So that's all the hair in. Just bear in mind, when I ordered these, my own hair was about down here, so it would have looked, the blend would have been a lot better. So I actually probably will cut these now. But you can dye these, you can straighten them, you can curl them, because they are Remy human hair. You can do anything you want with them. So Yeah, absolutely fantastic way to add a bit of volume or to lengthen your hair without causing too much damage. So I'll put all the details in the description box down below. They are a very, very affordable hair extensions, can be used again and again. And of course we've got a discount code, so I'll put that in there as well. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please do give me a big thumbs up if you have, and let me know what you think. I think because my bits are a bit shorter there, I may well tie a little bit back, and then you can't see the shorter bit so much. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.